What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Fleetwood Trades Crypto. Today, I've got a big, important video for you because I believe I have a very, very high probability pattern that I'm going to show you today on a token that I'm very bullish on already. You know that I only talk about tokens that I invest in myself. I only talk about tokens that I've already done research on and know a little bit about them. So today I'm talking about the Shadow token, SHDW on the ticker, and this is their page on X, Genesis Go, the ShadowDrive.com, Shadow Drive token, the Shadow token, and it is cloud storage, it's decentralized cloud storage. So that's one of the major pillars of what I believe the future of crypto and the future of just tech is going to be. You know, you've got AI, blockchain, big data, and cloud computing. So you've got data and cloud computing here, and data storage in the cloud, and it's all decentralized here. So check these guys out. Check out what they're doing. There's definitely a lot to see with what they've got going on, and there's a lot of things to be bullish about. But we're going to hop into the charts here for a minute. I want to show you this pattern real quick because it's just an example. But this is called an Adam and Eve double bottom. You have the Adam, which is the phallus, the phallic shape, which is the sharper bottom where you get that kind of point, and then you get the cup kind of bottom, the softer shape, the chalice, you know, the feminine Eve. So that's why it's the Adam and Eve. You get the sharp masculine shape and then the softer feminine shape. But that's not really all that important. I just kind of like to give you guys an idea of why they call it an Adam and Eve double bottom. And it could be an Eve, it could be an Adam, it could be an Adam that thinks it's an Eve. I don't know. I don't care. But here we go. Now what we have here on Shadow token, that sharp point down, that sharp, and then it came right back up. You know, they make this V-shaped pattern here. And it kind of set around here for a little bit, made its neckline, and then now we've got a rounded second bottom. So this to me looks very much like that Adam and Eve pattern. It looks like a double bottom, and on a token that I'm very bullish on, we're looking at the neckline here, and I'm going to go to the very, very tip of this neckline just to make sure that the breakout is clean and the breakout is true. We want to see a break of 49.45 cents. Once we see that breakout and you get a strong push up, expect a retest. There's likely to come back and retest. That's typically what happens. But in this scenario, we're not looking at this for a day trade. We're not looking at this for a short term, 1 or 2 day swing, or not even a swing, but just a day trade or even a scalp. It's nothing like that. This is a position trade. This is an entry area. This whole area is a place where we can get in anywhere under here, and we can get in this area and position ourselves for the bull market entirely, because even just the first leg up of this bull run, Shadow token has been up to $3.11. It's traded on a major exchange. I don't know all the exchanges that it's on, but I know it's on Coinbase, and Coinbase is the biggest US exchange. So you can get it through Phantom Wallet, you can get it through any Solana DEX, and you can get it on like I said, Coinbase. So it's major when they're major exchange to be on. So there's going to be more liquidity coming in. Once this comes in, it's easy to get to, it's easy to find, it's easy for people to invest in it, especially in the US. So that's another bullish signal for that. And then you have, just going to take a look at CoinMarketCap to protect from price not making a stronger high or a higher high. Look, the circulating supply is already at near the total supply. So we're at 161 million and some change circulating. The total supply is 169. So there's not much left for any type of supply shock or any type of major suppression of price. So when you look at this, you know we don't have some big unlock coming. There's not going to be another 50% of the token coming out. It's already 90% out, and it's only a $66 million market cap, which is a very tiny market cap when you compare it to its competitor like Filecoin. And you know this thing can go to $1 billion, $2 billion market cap if things take off the way that it potentially could on this token. So if we go back to the chart and just look at this as a double bottom here, and then potentially to go from where we're at just to the previous all-time high, which I don't think is going to be our cap, but if it just gets back to there, it's a little over 650% gains from here to there. And what does that give you? 658%. Was it a 7.5x, something around those lines? So it's a massive gain. Even if it doesn't break a new all-time high and it just gets close, it just gets up to where it was. It's a massive, massive gains. And this is on a daily time frame, so this is not a short-term chart look, but this potential here for a double bottom, break of the neckline, double bottom breakout, and then we're off to the races. We're into the bull market at that point. When this happens, when this breaks this neckline, and we're pushing above 50 cents, watch out, because this token's gonna fly. So with that, guys, that's what I got for the day. Check them out. Check them out on Twitter, on X. Check out their socials. Do some research on these tokens, because I'm telling you, I'm only talking about tokens that I've done research on and that I'm investing in myself. I'm not shilling, but I'm not going to talk about anything that I don't believe in myself. That's just the way that I am. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you got something from it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. And as always, until next time, peace.